The future of artificial intelligence, AI, and cryptocurrency. Crypto is a fascinating intersection of two rapidly evolving technologies. Both AI and crypto have the potential to transform industries, redefine how we interact with technology, and create new economic models. Here's an exploration of how these two fields might evolve and intersect in the coming years. 1. Key trends in AI. Increased automation. AI will continue to automate repetitive tasks across industries, from manufacturing to customer service, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. Personalization. AI will drive hyper-personalization in areas like marketing, healthcare, and education, tailoring experiences to individual preferences and needs. Explainable AI. As AI becomes more integrated into critical systems, for example, healthcare, finance, there will be a growing demand for transparency and explainability in AI decision-making processes. Edge AI. AI processing will increasingly move to edge devices, smartphones, IoT devices, rather than relying solely on cloud computing, enabling faster and more secure AI applications. AI in creative fields. AI tools like generative models, for example, GPT, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion will revolutionize creative industries by assisting in content creation, design, music, and even storytelling. Challenges for AI. Ethical concerns. Issues like bias, privacy, and misuse of AI will need to be addressed as AI becomes more pervasive. Regulation. Governments may introduce stricter regulations to ensure responsible AI development and deployment. Job displacement. While AI creates new opportunities, it may also displace certain jobs, requiring workforce reskilling and adaptation. 2. The future of cryptocurrency. Key trends in crypto. Mainstream adoption. Cryptocurrencies are gradually moving from niche use cases to mainstream adoption. Major companies and institutions are already investing in blockchain and crypto technologies. Examples: Tesla accepting Bitcoin payments at times, PayPal enabling crypto transactions, and countries like El Salvador adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Many governments are exploring or developing their own digital currencies, which could coexist with decentralized cryptocurrencies. Example: China's digital yuan ECNY is one of the most advanced CBDC projects. Decentralized finance. DeFi platforms are disrupting traditional financial systems by offering decentralized lending, borrowing, and trading services without intermediaries. Example: platforms like Uniswap, Auth, and Compound allow users to earn interest, trade assets, and access liquidity pools. NFTs and digital ownership. Non-fungible tokens (NFTs) are transforming digital ownership, allowing creators to monetize art, music, gaming assets, and even virtual real estate. Example: NFT marketplaces like OpenSea and Rarible have seen explosive growth.